We've just been dropped off in the Peak District. Me and Spud in his nice coat, in case it gets a bit cold. And we're off somewhere up there. I was climbing over this fence over this waterfall, and the back of my bag just snagged on the barbed wire. And that's where my bed is. So if it's put a puncture in my bed, it's gonna be a fucking cold night. Spud's still happy though. This is Alessia jacket I got it from not Sports Direct. Go outdoors for £45. I'm gonna have to take it off. I'll just have my thermals on. It's boiling. So I got to a camping spot. Nice view. It's gonna get dark soon. I've got the tent set up. First time actually setting it up. I tried it once whilst I was at home, but it's the type of tent it is. Got hard floor. Can't really put it up properly, but it looks alright. Nice view for the morning. A very broad Yorkshire accent. Just about to make tea. Spud's in the tent. I'm gonna filter some water, then make some. It's getting dark. Got some sweet and sticky pork belly slices. Nice that. I've got Spud annoyed that I'm not feeding him, but I did actually put one on the floor to let it cool down before he can have some. So don't worry, mate. Get it. Get it. Get it. Cool down enough now, boy. Just in the tent now. Got Spud all curled up, and we've still got the door open because we're looking at the stars. Just had breakfast, watched the sunrise. Very shortly we'll be packing up and moving on. definitely deer. I can see it better on my phone. What's this? Me and Spud ready to move on. Packed up. Saying goes, leave no trace. Can't see out. Picked up someone else's rubbish. Put it in a little Ziploc bag. Easiest way to keep track of all the rubbish. Tired boy. Kept me up snoring all last night, did Spud. Come on. Good boy. Hello. We just found a waterfall. I'm liking this cliff edge. It's hard to tell, but it's just a sheer drop. When I'm walking, I'm constantly leaning left, so if I fall, streams. Look at the eagle streams. Oh, snow, I didn't realise. Spudder! Spud! Cross this bridge without falling in. No, the bridge. Yep. Come. Just trying to figure it out. How does he get over? Excuse me. I get over this with me. Not that way, Spud. Come on, Spud. Guillotine.